Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Santiago. I'm very glad that you're back here seeing part number 2 regarding another software that is amazing, like all of the softwares that we've reviewed on this channel. This software is called Synthesia. If you haven't checked out the previous video where I did like an introduction of the software, this is a software that is used to create videos. You can create professional videos for companies, for enterprises, for example, training videos or sales videos. There is a bunch of ways in which you can use the software. In this video, part number 2 of the Synthesia tutorials, we're going to be creating a custom avatar using footage of ourselves. I'm going to show you the footage that I filmed, how I filmed it, the best way for you to create this video and for you to create this digital avatar. And it is very useful if you want to personalize it for sales, support, or internal communications in your company. So without further ado, I'm going to make my face disappear so you can see my screen better. See you guys in the end. So this is Synthesia homepage. These are a couple of videos that we created in the previous tutorial using some of the functionalities of the software. But as I was just telling you some minutes ago, we're going to be creating an avatar in this video. So if we go to the left right here where it says assets, we can click on avatars. There are a bunch of different avatars that we can use. As you see, the library is very, very large. In the previous video, we used this avatar right here that is called Ada and this other one that is called Sola. And we have a couple of options right here on the top. You could build your own avatar using your logo and colors that are specific to your brand. You could do a studio avatar where you upload a green screen footage from a studio, but you need to contact the software manufacturer first. And you can create your own personal avatar with a recording of yourself. This is the one that we're gonna be using. If we click right here on create, we have a little tutorial right here that says how we should film our video. I'm gonna show you the video that I filmed with my cell phone. I used a white background so the face is more discernible. I use good lighting. I stand up next to a window, and as you see, I have a little microphone that I use. This is not necessary, but the audio is gonna come out a bit better. And I just followed the instructions of the software. I just talked clearly and for almost a minute. So this is the video that I'm going to be using to upload to Synthesia to create my custom avatar. In the instructions, they say to use your natural body language, but don't cover your face. So this is the video that I filmed previously. So we're going to go back to the software and click on next. You can use your webcam from your computer, or you can upload a footage that you filmed previously, like the video that I just showed you. So I'm just gonna upload the file right here. You must click this message that says ensure that the environment is quiet and well lit, that you maintain eye contact with the camera, and that your voice is clear through the recording. This footage will be used to create your avatar and voice clone. You can select the language in which the video is spoken. This one is in English, so I'm just gonna leave it in English. Click on next. And you must record a little consent for the software to use your face and your voice. You must consent once again, and the software is gonna upload your footage. And you can return home to see when your avatar is done. It says that it takes a day to create the avatar. And with some TV magic, it is tomorrow. We get a little notification up top right here that says your avatar is ready to use. If we click on that notification, we're taken to the avatar's screen. And we have our custom avatar, or digital twin, on the top right here. And we can check out how the software created a new video using our voice.
Hi there, I'm your Synthesia avatar. Did you know I speak many other languages? por ejemplo, este soy yo hablando español. ね、これは私が日本語で話しているところです。Je peux aussi parler français. Incroyable, n'est-ce pas? Ready to make your own video in any of 30 plus languages? Click the new video button to get started.
It is really amazing how well the software works. As you see, the movement of my mouth is really natural. It looks like I'm speaking all of those languages that the software is showing. I spoke in English, Spanish, I think some Japanese. And of course, the purpose of doing this is creating videos with your digital twin. So if we click right here on new video, we can create a new video using the scenes and our digital avatar. We can write whichever script that we want. Once again, we can paste it from another source, such as ChatGPT. I'm just gonna write a couple of little scenes. This is the welcome scene. Welcome to my presentation. My name is Santiago and I'm 33 years old. We can add more scenes. We can add more scenes using the templates of the software. For example, this one right here, and we can add text as well. Let's say that this would be a presentation about myself for some coworkers, for example. I can delete this subheadline. Let's add a couple of more scenes. We can move everything around so it is perfectly how we want it to be. This would be a hobbies screen. The first one would be ride my bike, cooking, going to the movies, visiting museums, and petting my cats. Of course, you need to further edit the script down there. You can edit it with AI if you want to make something longer, shorter. Let's say that, for example, if I write I'm a content creator and have been working as such for 8 years, I can select it and then I can edit it with AI. For example, I can make it a bit longer and the AI will have this other version. I'm a content creator who has been passionately working in this field for 8 years, dedicating my time and energy to producing engaging and creative content across various platforms that captivate and inspire audiences worldwide. If we go to the next one, I can write, these are some of my hobbies. And once again, if I select it, I can edit it with AI. I can change the tone, for example, to be more professional. And it would be something like this, like these are a few of my interests. I want to make it a bit longer once again. These are a few of my interests and I would love to share more about them. And all in all, you can add as many scenes as you want using your digital avatar. Let's add another one right here. Given that I'm presenting myself, I would write something like, here are some of my metrics on my social media accounts. And I could add another one as a closing scene. And just as a closing, I hope I'll get to know all of you. And I'm very excited to start working with this amazing team. And of course, you can change the voice. This right here is a double of my voice, the one that I used in the video.
Welcome to my presentation. My name is Santiago and I'm 33 years old.
That is the one that is being used as of now. But if you want it, you could change it to a bunch of other voices that are in the library, or you could even change the language of the voice that is being used. As I showed you in some other videos, you can write this part of the script in any language that you want, and then you can change it to all of these other languages that are in the library of Synthesia. You can name it whichever way you want. I'm just gonna name it presentation. We can add captions and then you can generate the video. As always, this is gonna take a couple of minutes to process. So let's check out what the software did with my face and my voice.
Welcome to my presentation. My name is Santiago and I'm 33 years old. I'm a content creator who has been passionately working in this field for 8 years, dedicating my time and energy to producing engaging and creative content across various platforms that captivate and inspire audiences worldwide. These are a few of my interests, and I would love to share more about them. Here are some of my metrics on my social media accounts. I hope I'll get to know all of you, and I'm very excited to start working with this amazing team.
As you see, the way that the avatar talks and moves is very natural. It takes into consideration the lip movement, the way that the face moves, and all in all is a very, very professional and usable avatar. You can use it in many different scenarios. You can also have your voice duplicated for you to use using different avatars, for example. And just as easy as that, you can have a digital twin of yourself for you to use in various scenarios and various projects. As always, my name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you saw this video. I really hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Once again, if you want to use some of these features, there are linked to paid plans. If you want to use the paid plans of Synthesia, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you to use. If you haven't checked out the previous videos, I really invite you to subscribe and check them out. I want to read all of your comments down below to see your opinions on how this software works, if you've used it or not. And without further ado, see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.